going to attempt this clean face DIY quick makeup. So this is just what I do. It may or may not work for a lot of people, but I usually don't have time to do makeup. So sometimes I just go in with a little bit of foundation under the eyes. All the girls who actually do real makeup are going to be so mad at me because I've just kind of thrown stuff in my face. And then just powder whatever my issues or areas are. Literally as simple as that. Done. I take MAC Studio Fix because I don't know how to do anything else. Do it on my nose a bit, forehead, under eyes, perfect, under eyes, little bit around the mouth. I don't like my face too powdery, so I just kind of even it out with, with this amazing little blending thing. Whatever it's called. Okay, done with that. Then come on to the blush. So here's the blush. I like going a little bit on the sides of my face. So it gives me a little shape. Also a little color. Like that. This. I take the same brush. Put it on the eyes. Just for a little color on the nose. Great. Mascara. Before the mascara, a quick curl, I think is amazing to wake your eyes up. Quick curl. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Mascara done. This is basically my Zoom makeup and hair tutorial. What I do to get dressed and how long it takes. A little bit on the bottoms too. If you feel alive, eyes are very important on Zoom. Super expressive. Little eyebrow action. I like a little pencil, which can just fill in a few gaps. I like to keep it like super natural. There you go. Then usually like to have a lighter lid or just like a fun color maybe. So this is like my favorite go-to. It's Clinique, it's chubby, that's what it's called. I used it in my last movie and I really loved it because it's like kind of natural. Okay, and the hair, super quick. Because I really don't know how to blow out my own hair. So what I do is I take all my hair back super tight, like a tight ponytail, and sort of make it into a bun with the bottom coming out like that. You see, so the shape looks great from the side. I take the top because I have bangs. I take the top and just sort of hairspray it up a little bit. Take all the baby hairs back, really tight, get in there. Usually when my hair is up, I like to have my colors closed. It's a little bit more of a finished look, which I clearly can't do right now. Like that. And then the finishing touch, guys. All you do is add distracting, fun accessories, because then it just completes your look. Okay?